School me a little bit on this thing?
For sure. Hey guys, this is Shahar, the Vipers guy on Instagram, and this is my 1997 Ford F-150 Lightning replica. Basically, this truck started its life as a regular F-150, and we kind of cloned it as a Lightning. So basically what we did is we got the original Lightning wheels, original Lightning seats, original Lightning rear window, original Lightning body kit, which is the rear bumper, front bumper, side skirts, and Team MPE helped us out with a full side exhaust, because the regular F-150, the exhaust goes all the way to the back. We're here at NRG today to spice it up and give it a little bit of the NRG touch, and we're going to do a nice steering wheel in it. Check it out. This one we'll know after we take the steering wheel off.
Yeah, take the wheel off and see if it has clock spring in the back, and we're probably going to use the one that is more
The shorter one?
They're both short as possible. So one fits over the clock spring, one is without the airbag, no clock spring.
Got it.
So we're gonna see once you take up the wheel. I'm assuming it's the newer version, and that's the black brick release.
That's the black brick release?
You know that thing.
Okay.
You want to take up the wheel?
Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, not the deep dish one.
Not dish one. So, but you like the big wheels, just like stock, like 350 millimeter?
Doesn't have to be.
Oh, so this one is Alcantara. It's a little smaller than stock, but we also have this in leather.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's the same one I have on the R33.
The one on R33 is a little bit bigger.
A little bigger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like bigger size.
That looks cool.
Yes, sir. Let me grab the other one. Show you. Follow me. Always good shopping at NRG because there's unlimited stock inventory. Alright, Shahar, I believe this is the one that is on your R33. This one.
Okay.
Perforated leather.
No, looks good.
Thumb rest.
The thumb rest is nice. I think that one is good.
Yeah?
I'm just afraid a little bit of the Alcantara because this truck works.
Okay, so
it's not a garage queen.
Yeah.
So I go to Home Depot, I load construction stuff on it, I go get car parts, greasy stuff, oil, and then I get back to the steering wheel with the Alcantara.
It's gonna wear out.
Yeah. No, but this is sick. Yeah.
Nice.
This one is super nice. Love it.
Alright.
Let's do it.
So next stop, Prisma
Prisma
Lab.
Lab.
Alright, let's
Do it. What happened?
The bumper.
Oh sh.
Hey, I know this guy.
Salut. Say it.
Oh, what does he say?
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. TJC, no shit. expert.
What do we have here?
The center nut is Torx 50. Okay.
Yeah, that's all right.
This my shit. All the girls.
This is the fun part.
I know, right?
I would put the bolt on there, like one or two threads, just so it doesn't like fly off at you.
Fly off to my face.
Yeah.
Give you some.
Hammer time.
There we go.
Hammer time.
Do like this and then
This. It's like the one. Oh, so that one doesn't fit on that. Let's see the other one. There we go. So this one have this screw for that.
Figure out like which one is the horn, and then just turn the key a little bit.
It should work with the key off, no?
Oh, the horn.
It should.
So now you
Now
said
let's
what?
find out the horn. Yeah, I think it. Which one is black? It should be the blue one, right? Green one.
Blue
is it
or
green?
blue with orange.
You said the
Either
second one from the
second
bottom?
one from the bottom, or the next one up.
Okay, and then what?
And then touch
They'll
those.
just see if it actually.
Quick release part. Moment of truth.
Alright, let's test these. Okay, so it's the horn then.
So what's wrong with the horn?
Could be just a unhappy horn that's not horny today.
Dana probably knows how to fix it.
What's up with the horn?
It's faulty. Yeah, I guess.
Well, we have one right here, but is it going to work? No. So the wires may work, but that doesn't mean that the polarity is correct.
You have a third one?
We do have another one, yeah. This is the one that came out of it. This is a Prisma one. Let's see if this guy works. Not sure if this one is going to work, but we could try this one.
Testing. So two defective ones?
Defective ones, yeah. Well, that one, the other one I grabbed was just in a box, so maybe that was a previous defective one.
Okay.
Well, this is successful, you know, it worked.
so what you think was the problem with the other one?
They're just faulty, I guess. They weren't out of a steering wheel box, like they were just laying around, so maybe we had that issue before. Curious, very curious.
There you go.